And Ben's cheating.
God, no kidding.
Classic.
Classic Ben.
5, 4,
Mistaken, it's
3,
to Targrowth.
2, 1.
You cheating, Ben? That's what we're saying.
Got 2.
Oh no, Rob!
What happened over here, Robbie?
Jumped off a cliff again, maybe.
Tired of this life, I guess.
What the fuck?
Keep tanks up, please.
That was a very lucky transition moment.
Trash.
Don't fight the spiders on the bridge.
I had one on me the entire time.
Todd, I still have a cooldown.
Watch Razor.
Just use it now. Could someone taunt this spider off with me, please?
All these swirlies, man.
Sure, say
Yeah.
we got tornadoes in both spots.
They're coming from the other side.
Where am I putting ads?
Ah,
Wherever's available.
I think. Yeah. I'm taking poison in the back.
Yep.
I just try anyway.
Might want to get a little bit closer with that web. We're gonna get wrecked. Get chunking up.
Ross, if you can, try and save a cooldown for Gathering Clouds.
Okay. Got one in 40 seconds. 35 now.
Although it's
Not a
gonna be too
DPS
late.
race, guys,
So we'll just
so
have to use
stay alive.
personals and stuff like that.
Well,
Just try that
yeah.
You've got one. Joby, do you have it one or no?
Confirm.
I do.
Gathering clouds coming in 5.
We don't want to get pushed
Actually,
off
mine's
the wall.
up in 5
Poison
seconds,
everywhere.
Don't get pushed off the wall, Evenzel.
Good call out.
Alright.
Thanks.
Rotate platforms.
Really good call out.
So, I glided off the edge and I'm still alive.
Yeah, that happened to me. Oh, fuck.
Get up,
There you
Ross.
go, get him up.
energy.
Razor wing incoming. Nice clean kill, guys.
Yeah.
Good work, guys.
But we'll call it.